Hi, I'm Wire. Welcome to Wireworks. Hey everybody, Wire here. I'm out here on the patio. As you can see, it's 100 degrees out here, so instead of doing the LED build, I'm just going to do a quick Kraeuter plier restoration. It's just too damn hot out here to be doing that. Plus I got to wait for some parts to come in anyway. So enjoy the video. This is Wireworks. Hey everybody. I want to do a quick restoration on these pliers I picked up. They're Kraeuter's model 1831-7. Paid like $1 for these. Got them at a flea market probably about 2 weeks ago. They seem to be in pretty good condition, except a little ding here. Probably somebody used it for a hammer or something. So let's get this on the wire wheel and see what it looks like after we wire wheel it, then we'll polish it all up. I like the design on the ends, on the sides right here. Probably not going to do too much of that other than wire wheeling it. I hate taking this kind of stuff off. So let's do this real quick. Like I said, it's just tremendously hot out here, and I'm not spending all day out here. So let's get to it. It's Wireworks. Okay, this is post wire brush. Knocked all the excess rust off. These are a little stiff. I'm gonna put a little bit of WD-40 there to loosen them up a little bit, but turned out really nice. Nice detail in this pair of pliers. It says Kraeuter on this side and Kraeuter on that side. Like I said, I'm gonna polish them up a little bit, and I don't want to take any of this detail off of these. These are just too nice to destroy. So let me get the sander out, the belt sander out, and see if we can get this polished up a little bit. This is Wireworks. Be right back. Okay, here we go after polishing up. I find that using the cutoff grinder with polishing wheel works a lot better than my belt sander for getting inside these curves and grooves and everything. So let's get the buffer out, start buffing this up, and we should be done with this. I didn't want to take it too deep and take away from the finish of this. There are some dings in here that I'm not going to go that far down in there just to get rid of them. Did turn out pretty nice though, so let's put this on the buffing wheel and see if we can get this buffed up a little bit. This is all Wired Wireworks. Thanks for viewing. Okay, we're all done here. I didn't want to go too deep on this. I really didn't want to take any of the profile off of this thing, so I left some deep dings in it. But it did turn out really nice. I'm really happy with it. I'm probably going to use these. It's not going in my collection. It's nice and free now. Put some WD-40 down there. I would have spent a little bit more time on this, but it's just too damn hot out here, and I'm about ready to pass out. So this was just a quick little video on these. We might get back to them, we might not get back to them. Who knows? Hopefully we can finish the LED project that I started up last week by doing that power control box. But anyway, did turn out nice. Really, there's really a lot of detail in this particular wrench. I mean, pair of pliers. I've never seen a Kraeuter tool with their name on both sides. It's usually on one side. And I didn't touch the detail too much. I left that all in there. These feels nice and comfortable in the hand. There's no sharp edges. Like I said, I'm going to be using these. This is going into my toolbox to use. This is not going in my collection. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys next time. God bless you all. This is Wired Wireworks. See ya.